Hello, my name is Bitupan Bora. I am working on a CLI based vibe coding platform which will be free of cost. You can use it for free. Some extra features or extensions will be paid, maybe will be paid. I'm not sure about that right now. So today I will give you some previews about it, and I want you guys to give me some advices and help me build this together. You guys can help me with my Patreon and any other UPI. I will give my Patreon and other UPI and other things in the end of the video. And yeah, let's give it a shot. So you guys just have to install a WHL. It will be a Python wheel file. So have to write Cognautic. Okay, it is loaded. Now we have to prompt it. You can easily switch between models using the /model command. As you can see, our app is created. Now I will test it. As you can see, our app is working. Now let me create a to-do list. As you can see, our app is working, and yeah, see you later.